iPhone 15 Pro Max versus iPhone 15 Pro Max. Isang 6,000 pesos and isa dito is 81,000 pesos. Can you tell the difference? Anong pinagkaiba nila? Tara, pag-usapan natin in this video. So guys, itong video na ito is intended for educational purpose para malaman nyo kung which is the real deal and which is not the real deal. Para hindi kayo ma-scam at mapeke along the way pag bumibili kayo ng iPhone. And makita mo yung box niya is identically the same. Honestly, nung unang tingin, halos sabi ko, teka, parang wala namang pinagkaiba nito. But right now, we'll put it on sa ating tabletop para makita natin yung differences one by one. So okay, I'm pretty excited to show you yung pinagkaiba nito dalawang phone na ito, no? So on my left is the 6,000 pesos and on my right is the one na nabili ko sa Beyond the Box for 81,000 pesos. And before that, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo tong sobrang gandang Funko custom na gadget sidekick, no? Kita mo, ang ganda. Ganda na pagkagawa. Kuhang-kuha niya yung logo natin, no? And I really love it. And this is probably one of the good investment na meron ko. Eh sana no mapansin ni Funko no, i-mass produce yun, no. Funko, beke naman. And of course, kung gusto nyo gumawa ng sarili ng Funko, check it out kay Lucky Elwin sa Facebook. Na back to regular airing. So makita natin no, this 2-box. Pag malayo mo tingnan, it looks almost identical. But pag tinignan mo siya na medyo malapitan, mapapansin mo na this one looks a little bit lighter na gray and this one seems to be a little darker na gray. Na makikita mo dito sa kanyang etching dito, no, kanyang print, kanyang emboss dito, may details siya. Yung button niya, kitang-kita mo dito. I hope makita nyo sa camera, no. And pag sinalat mo, nakaumbok siya. Now, while on this one, pag tinignan mo, yung button niya is parang wala lang, no. And pag sinalat mo, flat siya. Hindi siya naka-emboss, hindi siya nakaumbok. And pag tinignan mo naman sa side, it looks almost identical, but medyo mas titanium color ito as opposed to this one na medyo mas silverish color. So pag tinignan mo naman dito sa likod, ang dami-daming sinabi ng original and ang konti ng sinabi ng 6,000 pesos. Now, kung binuksan mo naman silang dalawa, you'd see almost identical naman pag binuksan mo. And yung loob niya, halos pareho. But pag sinalat mo siya, this is just a regular cardboard. Ito, may cushion siya sa likod. So, itabi muna natin dalawang phone. Tingnan muna natin further the other things inside the box. Pagdating naman sa kanyang C2C cable, you'd see kay Apple na original is braided. And this one is just your regular na C2C cable. Now, pag tinignan mo naman dito sa dalawa, you'd see na mas lighter ang print dito, designed by Apple in California. And this one seems to be a little bit bolder ang kanyang fonts. Ito naman makita mo sa original na iPhone. At itong dalawa lang makita mo sa 6,000 pesos na iPhone. So much about the packaging. Right now, we can focus na mismo sa phone itself. So, ite-test out lang natin. No? We have a original case dito from Momax. Tatry lang natin dito sa original na phone. And, of course, it fits, snug fit, maganda. Ang gandang fit niya. So, let's try on dito sa kabila. Okay? So, eksakto rin. Okay? Saktong-saktong fit. Walang problema. Okay, so it's interchangeable ang case niya. So, ito natin na yung kanyang dimension, everything is exactly the same. Now, pagmasdan naman natin ang kanyang camera module. So, kita natin, it looks almost the same pag pinagtabi mo siya. But, pag tinignan mo mabuti, this one, ang kanyang ring dito, it seems to be a little bit thinner compared to this one. Though, hindi masyado mahalata sa inyong mata. But, pag tinignan mo mabuti, medyo mas makapal kunti ang border ng ring nito. And pag sinalat mo siya, this one is flat. But ito, pag sinalat mo, nakaumbok ang kanyang glass lens. Medyo mas lubog ang kanyang ring. And pag tinignan mo mga camera modules nito, it looks like parang tinted siya, no? But dito sa 6,000 pesos na iPhone 15 Pro Max, it seems na transparent siya. Kitang-kita mo yung loob ng camera lens. And pag pinansin mo ang kanyang LED flash, this one seems to be a little bit orangey. This one seems to be a little bit darker gray. Yung Apple logo niya looks foolproof. And ang meron ko dito is titanium white on both phones. Na kung pinagmasdan mo mabuti ang kanyang color, yung original looks to be a little bit more, may pale kunti na puti, while ito medyo mas clear kunti na puti. If nandito ka lang sa point of view ko, ha, probably it might be hard to check dito sa camera. Now, if you take a look at the sides, mapapansin mo, it's almost identical. But yung kanang color, there's a little bit distinction. Dito medyo mas may pagka-goldish titanium feel. Ito may pagka-silverish na titanium feel, though both of the buttons are the same. And sa ilalim yung looks almost identical, except pag zoom in mo dito sa mga butas, parang may mesh na nakatakip dito, halos wala. hollow lang siya. Now, on top, there's nothing to see. And on the other side, makita mo na identical ang kanyang action button, ang kanyang volume rocker, and of course, ang kanyang SIM tray. But if you eject this one is dual SIM, and this one is single SIM. So, eject lang natin to sa original. You'll see a 1 SIM slot dito, and the other side wala. Pag in-eject mo naman doon sa 6,000 pesos na iPhone 15 Pro Max, you'll see SIM 1 and SIM 2. Now, checking the screen looks the same except pag nag-boot up na. Essentially, pag binoot up mo, makita mo na yung speed, no? So, 3, 2, 1, buksan natin. Makita mo, this one is a white one and the original is a color black. I'm not sure, no, kung sinet ko dahil sa dark theme or hindi, but I don't think it has anything to do with it. So, nakita nyo na nag-boot up na agad si iPhone 15 Pro Max na original, and this one is taking a little bit of a time to boot up. And by the way, naka-eSIM nga pala ako dito. Ito walang eSIM. So yun, finally nag-boot up na siya. Ang wallpaper niya is parehong-pareho, parang sinerox lang, kinopya lang. Yeah, to my surprise na it looks very the same. Okay, so let's swipe up. Kita mo yung animation na ibang-iba. But yung kanyang pag pumasok ka dito, it looks almost the same. I would say really it's foolproof almost pag hindi mo masyado napapansin. But if you take a quick look dito sa kanyang Wi-Fi logo, seems to be thicker compared dito sa kanya. Pag tinignan mo ang Wi-Fi logo dito sa original versus dito sa 6,000 pesos, it seems to be thicker and mas may mas may dating lang naman siya. And yung time din dito is a little bit bolder compared to this one. Now, you'd be really surprised to look at yung mga icons, no? It looks almost identical. Mapapansin mo talaga na parang, uy, kopyang-kopya. Now, if you swipe it left and right, makita mo very evident dito ang lag sa iPhone 15 Pro Max na 6,000 pesos, no? As opposed dito sa original. Very, very smooth. Now, if you drop down, delay siya, no? Kita mo. But it almost looks the same, to my big surprise. And before ko makalimutan, no, papapansin mo dito ang kanyang baba is thicker as opposed dito sa 15 Pro Max na manipis ang kanyang chin. But yung size is almost identical. Na pag tinignan mo naman kanyang notification center, it almost looks the same. Makita mo talaga may lag siya, no? So let's just quickly check a shorts dito para itabi lang natin side by side, no? So nakita nyo, may slight delay dito in terms of loading the video. Makita mo yung resolution talaga. This one, I think, is only up to 720p. And ito, alam naman natin, ang display na kaya ng iPhone 15 Pro Max na original. So, pag tinignan mo mabuti ang kanyang video quality, it's really a far cry. So, isagad lang natin volume na ito. Ito naman. Okay, walang-wala ang sounds nito, mahina siya. Ito, malakas. So, buksan lang natin yung Bluetooth niya. And let's just try to pop this one open. Itong AirPods 2 natin, no? So, tingnan natin kung sino una makakadetect sa kanya. So, kita na agad ni iPhone 15 Pro Max na original na merong AirPods na malapit, no? Well, ito, wala siya nakita. But titingnan lang siguro natin dito sa settings, no? Papasok pa tayo sa settings. Just to see kung makita lang niya. Kita nyo, makikita niya si AirPods Pro pero hindi siya magpa-pop up, no? So, yan ang difference nilang dalawa. So, probably halos nakita na natin yung mga things na gusto natin makita dito, no? And in terms of performance, you'd see na this one, halos pwede mo siyang gamitin lang just for social climbing. But this one, ibang-iba talagang feel if you're paying for the right one. And of course, buy original. Definitely, yan ang masasabi ko sa inyo dito sa aking channel. The next thing na gusto ko pakita sa inyo is mga camera shots na nakuha natin, no? You'd see the difference between the two of them. Medyo talaga ibang-iba sila, no? So let's just quickly start with this, itong rock shot na to. Makita mo na ibang-iba ang quality ng photos on both of these phones. Definitely no match talaga si 6,000 pesos. Now, taking a look at this one other shot, well, it's still a far cry. And even this one, halos walang binatbat talaga itong si 6,000 pesos. So let's go indoor. So makita mo na talagang yung shot very evident na very clear, maganda pagka-bokeh dito sa original iPhone 15 Pro Max as opposed to this one, medyo dark, hirap siya mag-perform on low light. So you see the bin shot, talagang ibang-iba siya, makita mo yung difference ng quality ng shot. Pag pinagtabi mo naman silang dalawa in terms of selfie camera, let's not talk about it na. So guys, alam na which is the real deal and which is not the real deal. So ngayon, after watching this video, I'm pretty sure na alam nyo na what to check para hindi kayo ma-scam at mapeke pag bumibili kayo ng iPhone. And of course, again, a word of disclaimer, hindi tayo nagpo-promote ng peking iPhone dito, but just to give you an educational video bago kayo ma-scam sa inyong binibilhan. So guys, with that said, kung nagustuhan nyo itong video nito, don't forget to share to your friends, and a sub to this channel would definitely be awesome. I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.